Good day, everyone. My name is Justoni Ginshanos, and I'm here to discuss a critical topic affecting our planet today climate change. In this presentation, we will explore the various impacts of climate change from environmental and economic to social and health. We also examine the various sectors contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and explore the solutions available, such as renewable energy and sustainable agriculture. Climate change refers to the ongoing rise in global average temperature and its effects on the Earth's climate system. Human activity emits 13 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually, causing a rise in the Earth's greenhouse effect, leading to a global warming and atmospheric changes. Greenhouse gas emissions are the primary driver of climate change, and their levels have steadily risen over the past few decades. The amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has increased dramatically since the Industrial Revolution. Greenhouse gas emissions come from many sources, including transportation, electricity production, and agriculture. This chart shows the breakdown of emissions by sector. The greenhouse effect is a natural process for the Earth. However, the increase in greenhouse gas emissions resulted in an enhanced greenhouse effect. With an increased blanket of greenhouse gases, more of the sun's heat is trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. This increased greenhouse effect has warmed the planet and increased the number of heat-related natural disasters and threats to human life, such as massive tsunamis and unnatural wildfires. These events demonstrate the raw power of the changing climate and its ability to affect all areas of the world, regardless of habitat or ecosystem. The ocean is the largest habitat by far affected by climate change. The annual average temperature of ocean surfaces has been diverging from the 20th century since the 1980s. In 2022, global ocean surface temperatures were 0.69 degrees Celsius higher than the century's average. The oceans are crucial to our planet's health. Rising temperatures, ocean acidification, and sea level rise are just some ways climate change affects our oceans. These changes are having devastating effects on marine ecosystems. The issue of climate change is not just a problem for the environment, it's a public health issue as well. More people are suffering from heat stroke, respiratory disease, and other health conditions related to climate change as temperature rise and the air quality deteriorates. The economic cost of climate change is staggering. The total amount of money spent over the last few decades to repair damage caused by natural disasters. These costs will only continue to escalate as the effects of climate change become more severe. Loss of wildlife habitat and environmental disturbance caused by climate change are the major factors behind the increasing list of endangered species worldwide. Renewable power sources are an essential component of any climate change mitigation strategy. We can lessen our reliance on fossil fuels if we switch to more environmentally friendly forms of energy. Transportation significantly contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. We can substantially lessen our impact on the environment by reducing our reliance on vehicles and increasing our use of public transportation. Riding a bike is not only a great way to improve our physical and mental health, but also the planet health. By not using any gas, bikes don't release harmful emissions that pollute the atmosphere. Agriculture is a significant source of greenhouse gas emissions, and unsustainable farming practices exacerbate the problem. As consumers, we can help to support sustainable agriculture by purchasing organic produce and reducing the reliance on chemical fertilizers. Climate change is a global issue that requires international cooperation. All nations must collaborate to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and protect our planet. It is time for world leaders to join and take a meaningful action in climate change. Vulnerable groups, including children and people with pre-existing health conditions, are at an even higher risk because of the compounding factors of climate change. But public health groups can work with local communities to help people understand and build resilience on climate change health impacts. People worldwide are speaking out and demanding that climate change be addressed. There are numerous ways to make our voice heard, ranging from protests and social media campaigns. We can create a better future for ourselves by advocating for policy changes. We can take numerous small actions in our daily lives to reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to climate change mitigation. For instance, planting trees. We as individuals should enact an action program on continuing response to climate change. To end this presentation, let me share this quote from Bill McKibben. We've been given a warning by science and a wake-up call by nature. It is up to us now to heed them. These words ring more accurately now than ever before. The scientific community has warned us for decades about the dangers of climate change, and the natural world is giving us a wake-up call through recent wildfires, typhoons, and droughts. It's up to us now to take action, make the necessary changes in our lives and communities, and advocate for systematic change that will address the root causes of climate change. Thank you everyone for listening.